Hello everybody, it's me Adrian, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the rocket launcher badge and the rocket launcher for everyone badge. Now the rocket launcher, nice to meet you is where you get the rocket launcher, and rocket launcher for everyone is where you get the rocket launcher only if you join the game. So this one you need to meet the meet the owner. It's very rare, and rocket launcher is also rare, only for events. Now here's some. Now there are a lot of badges. Well, not that bad. Well, not that a lot. Well, this game is you remember how one time where I made a video about this? Yeah. Alright, so here, see this? You need nice to badge or launcher for everyone. Now, see? I turned on the volume so that way I wanted let's do it. Let's see how this would be in 100 kills. So far, so good. Not really a chaotic server. Hey, wait a minute. Don't flashbang. Oh, right into my life. Are you the owner? You can't be the owner, right? You can't be. I need to check the leaderboard. No, you are not the leaderboard. You are not the owner. Make my Roblox crash. So I'm gonna end this video. Alright everyone, that will be the end of this video. If you want to get comfortable, you need to have 755 quarters. I have 1,000, so that means I have Higgleman Crackers. I don't know if that's his name or not. If that's his name or not. And 700 shards. I meant shards, not quarters. Shards. Now, Draco Blaster is obtainable. I don't know how rare he is, including Slender Man, I think. Anyway, this will be the end of this. This will be the end of this video, and yeah, I think I'm gonna leave after this. So bye.